Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale online learning with Udemy, full guide step by step clearly. To scale online learning with Udemy, begin by identifying your area of expertise. Consider the skills or knowledge you possess that others might want to learn. Conduct market research to understand the demand for your chosen topic. Explore existing courses on Udemy to analyze their content, pricing, and student feedback. Define your target audience by considering their needs and preferences. Create a comprehensive course outline that breaks down your topic into manageable sections. Develop engaging and high-quality content, utilizing various formats like videos, quizzes, and assignments. Invest in good recording equipment to ensure clear audio and video quality. Edit your videos to enhance clarity and engagement, removing any unnecessary elements. Add supplementary materials such as PDF guides or resource lists to complement your course. Upload your course content to Udemy, ensuring your titles and descriptions are keyword optimized. Set a competitive pricing strategy based on your research and target audience. Leverage Udemy's promotional tools to increase your course visibility. Utilize social media platforms to promote your course and engage potential learners. Consider offering discounts or free coupons to attract initial students. Encourage learner feedback and actively respond to questions to build a community. Update your course regularly based on student feedback and new developments in your field. Monitor your course performance through Udemy Analytics to identify areas for improvement. Consider creating additional courses or expanding your current course to offer more value. Network with other instructors to share insights and collaborate on promotions. Continuously refine your teaching skills to enhance the learning experience for your students. Stay informed about trends in online learning to keep your content relevant and engaging. With dedication and strategy, you can effectively scale your online learning offering on Udemy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.